Hello guys! In today's video, we are going to present you the top 5 best smart thermostats available on the market. We made decisions our personal preference and solidly based on their prices, quality, durability, and repetition of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. I've included the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button for upcoming video notifications. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, the best smart thermostat overall. With its zinc case and much larger touchscreen, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium looks much better than previous generations, on a par with the Nest Learning Thermostat, and is even smarter on the inside. Now, it has an air quality sensor built in, so you can see if you need to open a window or turn on a fan. The huge display also lets you look at the weather forecast for the week. As before, the best part of the Ecobee is its remote sensors, which make it easier for you to manage the temperature in your entire home. The Ecobee also has Alexa built-in, and if you have a HomePod or HomePod Mini, can also talk to Siri through the thermostat. The built-in speaker is still not great for listening to music, but it's a way to get a smart speaker in a room where you don't want to place an Echo Dot. Number 2. Google Nest Learning Thermostat 3rd Generation. Nest Smart Thermostat is a cinch to set up and has a classic design. The Nest Learning Thermostat was the original smart thermostat, and its classic design still stands out among the competition. The third version of this Google-owned thermostat has a larger and sharper display than its predecessor. Like before, the Nest Learning Thermostat learns your behavior over time, so it can automatically change the temperature when someone comes home. While the Nest Thermostat has a retro-style circular design, its brushed stainless steel finish and turning mechanism all feel premium. Plus, it comes in a variety of finishes, including brass, polished steel, copper, and white, so it can more easily fit in with your home decor. This thermostat combines the best of the past with the future, and is one of the best smart thermostats that's Google Home compatible. Number 3. Amazon Smart Thermostat. The Amazon Smart Thermostat isn't as intelligent as the Nest or the Ecobee models above, but it does use Alexa's hunches to gain some smarts in knowing when to turn the temperature up or down. At $59, it's one of the most affordable smart thermostats around, and we found it very easy to install and program in our home. It has a simple but clean aesthetic that fits in almost anywhere, too. Keep in mind that you'll need a C-wire, or else you'll need to purchase a C-wire adapter, sold separately for the Amazon Smart Thermostat to work. Unlike the Nest and Ecobee models, there are no remote sensors for you to monitor the temperature in other rooms. And, of course, it only works with Alexa. But, at this price, those are compromises we're willing to overlook. Number 4. Honeywell RTH6580WF Wi-Fi Thermostat. A dependable, affordable smart thermostat. The Honeywell RTH6580WF Wi-Fi Thermostat is the best smart thermostat for those on a budget because it offers much of the same functionality as higher-end models, but costs less than $100. Like the Nest and Ecobee smart thermostats, you can control the Honeywell RTH6580WF from your smartphone and connect it to Alexa and Google Assistant, which not only lets you change the temperature with your voice, but link it with other smart home products. In addition, the Honeywell Home ecosystem includes a wide range of partners, including Arlo, Apple HomeKit, SmartThings, Lutron, Kwikset Kivo, and more. What you don't get with the Honeywell RTH6580WF are the stylish looks of the Nest, nor the remote sensor capabilities found with the Ecobee. But if all you're looking for is a smart thermostat that delivers on the basics, this is a great model to consider. Number 5. Nest Thermostat. The best Nest thermostat for those on a budget. If you want a Nest-like experience for half the price, the simply named Nest Thermostat is the best option. While it doesn't have a rotating bezel, it does have an intuitive touch-sensitive strip along one side, and an attractive mirrored front that begs you to touch it, but will leave all sorts of fingerprint smudges if you do. However, for the lower price of the Nest thermostat, you are giving up 2 key features. This thermostat doesn't learn your patterns and adjust the temperature accordingly, nor can it work with remote sensors, so it won't be as helpful if you have a room that stays particularly cold or hot. But for $87, often less than Nest thermostat is priced to sell.